Hi everyone, this is Glicel Magsayo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before anything else, I'm going to introduce myself. I am Glicel Magsayo, 18 years old, studying at USTP-CDO, taking up the course Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering from Section BSCE 1D. For today's video, I'm going to make a DIY Christmas decoration out of a 1.5 liter plastic bottle. So let's go!
We gather by the tree, and everyone can see it's Christmas.
I love the faces on the kids as they open up their gifts. It's Christmas.
I look around and smile at my family and my friends,
And suddenly I'm sad that it will all come to an end. Why can't Christmas last all year? I finally got my family here, and these are the moments I'll remember. January is soon to come, but I'm just having too much fun in December.
the food's made us lazy, 'cause mama's cookies are amazing.
It's Christmas. The wine's made us crazy. The night is getting kinda hazy. It's Christmas.
I look around and smile at my family and my friends.
And suddenly I'm sad that it will all come to an end. Why can't Christmas last all year? I finally got my family here, and these are the moments I'll remember. January is soon to come, but I'm just having too much fun in December. I don't wanna wait again for lots and hugs and kisses. I wish every day could be just like Christmas. I don't wanna wait again for lots and hugs and kisses. I wish every day could be just like Christmas. Why can't Christmas last all year? I finally got my family here, and these are the moments I'll remember. January is soon to come, but I'm just having too much fun. Why can't Christmas last all year? I finally got my family here, and these are the moments I'll remember. January is soon to come, but I'm just having too much fun in December. It's a new year, baby. Let's make it the best year yet. It's a new year, baby. Let's make it one we won't forget. So leave your worries in the past and make this year better than the last. It's a new year, baby. Let's make it the best year yet. Let's make it one we won't forget. Let's make it the best year yet.
you've learned something. Advance Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everyone. Stay safe and see you in my next video. Bye!
In the past to make this year better than the last. It's